Definitely a great way to start the day. Got some rope stuck in the jet ski. Trying to ride our first day, and this guy. I started off bad, and then
thankfully for Colorado boat inspections here, you know, able to save my motor.
Yeah.
I should be running A1 now.
Finally ready to hit the water. We have been through so much, it's not even a joke. Just take the straps off. I would take those lights off, bro. So that I gotta get this one prepared. And just look how steep. This is so steep, it probably doesn't look like it on camera. Park it and e-brake. Oh my god.
That's just cold? That's just freezing.
Oh my god, you go.
What? Oh, no, you're falling in this.
Oscar, you gotta take the jet ski off the hitch. No wetsuit, we're from Florida. We're used to it. Well, today's our day to learn. That looks comfortable there. You gotta lift it. Wait, first start in 3 months on the water. Go, floor. Already not starting, but once we charge, it'll be good.
She won't let go till it's scarred. Try to breathe, but I can't.
Finally did it, guys. Woo. We definitely need to get swimsuits because this water is very cold, probably about like 20 or so, but so beautiful. It's definitely different, like being limited on how far you could go. But if you can't tell, this lake is pretty big. Woo. We're gonna go dock up real quick, see if we can park on the sand.
She's the beast in my bones. She gets everything she wants when she gets me alone, like it's nothing. She got 2 little horns and they give me a little bit. But she keeps me alive. She's the beast in my bones. She gets everything she wants.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Yeah.
You recording?
Yeah. Oof. Is it bad?
Oh my god. This shit.
Is it cold?
What?
It feels good though, huh?
No.
We just had a winter storm, and you know, it was in the negatives, and also it's only 80 and the water's probably like what, 15
degrees
only. But since we're from Florida,
we don't really give a Go, go. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. Don't be a hoe.
I feel it already.
I go. I went.
Wait, but that's so far that I gotta go to.
Just go.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
I told you, bitch.
I feel myself came out of my butt.
Oh my god. You feel good after. You feel minty.
I feel minty, but holy shit.
Oh shit.
You didn't even make a face.
Me? I couldn't. I didn't know what to feel. Getting ganged up by some ducks out here.
It probably feels so good to drive it again. Looks good. Nah? Just do it all motor. Once you do exhaust, it'll be crazy. Like that, the jet skis are back in the garage. We already cleaned them at the marina, so good to go. Till next time. We're all done. Definitely a good time.
Yeah.
We gotta go to a bigger lake though, because that lake was a little too small.
Too small and too many
We need
wake
more.
zones.
We need an area we could spread our wings. So, till next time, buddy. Alright guys, so this is where we end today's video. It was definitely a good time to be out on the water again, especially in a new place. It was definitely different, and we need to get some gear though, because the water is way too cold. With me jumping in, that water was 15 degrees and I was in total shock. So I need something that could keep my body nice and heated. But other than that, nothing to complain about. Jet skis ran perfect. We ran into a few hiccups this morning, but you know, it's never adventure unless you go through some stuff. So definitely worth it. And until next time, my next video is actually going to be a new vehicle I bought, which is going to be something that is rare, and it's a 4-door. That's all I'm going to give you. I'm not going to tell you much. And I also got some stuff for this car, so little by little, you know, my videos are coming out more consistently and being able to update you guys. So thanks for watching. Until next time.